Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to deposit money from your Revolut account to Wells Fargo in 2025. Whether you're managing finances across borders or just linking up your accounts, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Revolut is that awesome digital banking app for seamless international transfers, and Wells Fargo is a reliable traditional bank for your everyday needs. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring funds like a pro. First things first, make sure you have both accounts set up and verified. Open your Revolut app and log in. Head over to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually right on the home screen. Here, you'll want to select Send or Transfer to Bank. Now, if you haven't added your Wells Fargo account yet, you'll need to do that. Enter your Wells Fargo account details, like the account number and routing number. Double-check these to avoid any delays. Next, choose the amount you want to transfer. Revolut might show you any fees up front, so keep an eye on that. International transfers can sometimes incur charges. Select your funding source within Revolut, confirm the details, and hit Send. In 2025, Revolut has made this even faster with enhanced security features like biometric verification. Once the transfer is initiated, it typically takes 1 to 3 business days to reflect in your Wells Fargo account, depending on the banks and any weekends or holidays. To track it, check your Revolut transaction history and log into your Wells Fargo app or online banking for updates. A few quick tips. Always use strong, unique passwords for both accounts to keep your money safe. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider the exchange rates if currencies differ. And remember, if you run into issues, Revolut's in-app chat support is fantastic. There you have it. Depositing from Revolut to Wells Fargo is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.